Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Endogenous opioids. Endogenous opioids include enkephalins, beta endorphins which relieve the stress, dynorphins, endomorphins like 1 and 2, nociceptins are the endogenous opioids. They are enkephalins, beta endorphins, dynorphins, endomorphins, and nociceptin.
Summary. Uh, Endogenous opioids are uh, enkephalin, beta endorphins, dynorphins, endomorphins, and nociceptins. Nociceptins are also called as orphanin Q, whereas beta endorphins will relieve the stress.
thank you and thank you for watching.